Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, we will see some most important questions on solid waste management. These questions are very important from the point of view of your upcoming exams, जैसे कि GATE, DD and UPSC Architecture and Planning exams. Also, these questions are very oftenly asked in state PSC exams related to architecture and planning conducted by RPSC, HPSC and UPPSC. So my name is Rahul and you're watching Architecture and Planning with Rahul. And we are studying the most important questions on solid waste management. तो दोस्तों शुरू करने से पहले सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड दो तीन चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. फर्स्ट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबल मिनिस्ट्री, दैट इज़ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट एंड फॉरेस्ट. And this waste management is come under municipal solid waste management and handling rules of 2000. And who prepares this municipal solid waste? That is CPHEEO, and its full form is Central Public Health and Environmental Engineering Organization. And this organization prepares manual of municipal solid waste. This organization came into existence in 1954. Now a question comes is, who is responsible for municipal solid waste? So ULB, that is urban local bodies, are responsible for municipal solid waste in a city in his jurisdiction. So these are some general information related to solid waste management. Now we will see the first question, that is, which one of the following is not represent the 3 R's of waste management? So friends, 3 R's of waste management are reduce, reuse and recycle. So the correct answer of this question will be regenerate, which does not represent the 3 R's of waste management. Now next question is, what is the correct order of the waste management hierarchy? तो दोस्तों सबसे पहले हम ट्राई करते हैं reducing और preventing the waste generation, and if waste is somehow generated, then we will try to reuse the same product, and if doesn't work, then we try to recycle the product in order to minimize the need of that product. And if anyhow the waste is generated after recycle, then we disposed it. So this is the waste management hierarchy. Therefore, the correct answer of this question is option number D, prevention, reuse, recycle, disposal. Question number 3 is, how many main primary components exist in integrated waste management? So friends, there are 3 main or primary components exist in integrated waste management. So the correct answer is option number B. And what are these 3 components? First is source reduction, then comes recycling, and in the last come disposal. चलिए देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन. The municipal solid waste is the term used to describe which kind of solid waste? So MSW describes the non-hazardous waste from a village, town or city, or especially an area that comes under our jurisdiction. And this waste requires daily collection, then transport to a disposal site for processing. So the correct answer of this question will be non-hazardous waste. Question number 5 is, what is called for the method of burning municipal solid waste in a properly designed furnace under operating condition and suitable temperature? So this method is called as incineration. So incineration is a chemical process जिसमें गार्बेज में मौजूद फ्लेमेबल पार्ट्स मिक्स होते हैं ऑक्सीजन के साथ, देन डिस्चार्ज होते हैं एनवायरनमेंट में इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. बट दिस प्रोसेस रिक्वायर्स राइट ऑपरेटिंग कंडीशन एंड सुटेबल टेम्परेचर. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट सिटी टू एस्टेब्लिश द सिस्टम ऑफ वेस्ट रिमूवल वॉज. सो एथेंस वॉज द फर्स्ट सिटी दैट एस्टेब्लिश द वेस्ट रिमूवल सिस्टम in 320 BC. So the correct answer is option number B, Athens. So friends, these were some questions that I prepared from various sources. And if you think that these questions are helpful, then please do subscribe. Also comment us. Now we will see some questions that are already came in various exams. So first question is, what is the per capita municipal solid waste production waste per day in India? So friends, the correct answer of this question is 450 grams per person per day. और ये वेस्ट जनरेशन डिपेंड करता है सिटी साइज पे. सो एज पर URDPFI एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू इज 0.2 kg to 0.6 kg and it depends on city to city with population 10 to 50 lakhs from small to large. Next question is, which of the following is not at all incorporated in solid waste management? So friends, sanitary landfill is very common method of disposing waste on land and it should done by without disturbing the environment and public health. Next option is flocculation and it is related to waste water treatment process. Third option is pyrolysis and it is very common technique used to convert plastic waste to energy. And last is incineration, that we already know, a chemical process related to combustion. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, pyrolysis. Next question is, the term ISWM in the context of infrastructure planning refer to? So the correct answer of this question is option number B, integrated solid waste management, and it is a strategic approach to sustainable waste management. Let's move to the next question. The term municipal solid waste is generally used to describe. So municipal solid waste is the waste generated within a municipal jurisdiction. Let's understand this by a diagram. So this is our town and under this town we have a municipal area. These are the road network. This is town boundary. This is municipal boundary. These are the road network, and within this municipal there will be lots of homes, schools, hospitals, industries, commercial areas, etc. And the waste that is generated from these individual unit within this municipal area is known as municipal solid waste. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, waste from homes, commercial establishment and institutions. So this is our last question of this video. The fuel derived from combustible waste fraction of solid waste like plastic, wood, pulp or organic waste material in the form of pellet or fluff produced by drying, shredding, dehydrating and compacting of solid waste is called as? So this is known as refuse derived fuel. So the correct answer is option number A. So friends, these were all the questions related to solid waste management. इसके अलावा यहाँ पर कुछ स्टैंडर्ड्स और गाइडलाइंस है दैट यू कैन रेफर फॉर योर फर्दर नॉलेज. सो फ्रेंड्स, दैट्स इट इन दिस वीडियो. मैं रेगुलरली इसी तरीके से वीडियोस अपलोड करता रहता हूँ. सो इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब. इफ द वीडियो वॉज हेल्पफुल, प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड मोटिवेट मी. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन, गुड बाय.